Let me talk about something very important for brokers today. This is not theory, this is happening every day. Builders from Goa, Rajasthan, even Himachal, or even smaller cities are trying to sell projects in Delhi NCR through brokers who are not registered in that state. The question is simple. Is it safe and is it legal to sell a project of a state where you do not have RERA registration? The answer is very clear. No. Let me explain you why. RERA comes from the Real Estate Regulation and Development Act 2016. Two sections every broker must know. Section 9. Section 9 clearly says that no real estate agent can facilitate or sell a purchase of a project without being registered with the respective state RERA authority. It is clear there that what the act is. RERA is state specific. Goa RERA is valid only in Goa. The Himachal RERA only in Himachal. If you are registered in Delhi, Haryana or UP, you are not automatically authorized to sell a Goa or Himachal project. Now comes Section 10. Section 10 defines the duties of a real estate agent. It clearly places responsibility on the broker to ensure that the transaction is legal, compliant, and not misleading. So, legally, I don't know, or builder said it is okay, is not a defense. Now, let me tell you how this works in real life. A builder salesman calls you, he speaks very casually. सर कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, सब कर रहे हैं, सर आप बस इंट्रोड्यूस करवा दो, डॉक्यूमेंटेशन हम मैनेज कर लेंगे. Why he is so relaxed? Because he is salaried. He takes no legal risk. If something goes wrong, he changes the company. But you invest time, you invest effort, you invest money, you invest your personal relationship with the client, and you are dependent on commission payout. When something goes wrong, the builder has lawyers, money, and systems. The broker has exposure. The first call comes to you. The first complaint mentions your name. One wrong deal can destroy years of reputation. Let me share my own experience. There was a call from a salesman asking me to sell a Goa project. I asked him one simple question. I am not, registered with Goa RERA. He laughed. He said very casually, सर कोई इशू नहीं है, सब कर रहे हैं. सर ये सब पेपर नॉलेज है, we can manage everything. He even named few channel partners who were already doing it. When I told him clearly that this is illegal under Section 9 and Section 10 of RERA, his tone changed. He became uncomfortable and he literally disappeared from the conversation. सर मैं अपने सीनियर से बात करता हूँ, then I will come back to you. आज तक उसका फ़ोन नहीं आया है. That reaction itself tells you everything. Now, let me also be fair. There is one legally correct way this can be done. A builder can create a separate brokerage company. That brokerage must take RERA, registration in that state. That company must handle all billing, compliance, and documentation. And the broker must be appointed formally as an authorized associate or a referrer. Written agreement, clear role, transparent commission. But let me be very clear. This works only when the brokerage is real, not a paper company, not a WhatsApp promise. If someone says, Sir, हम आपको letter दे देंगे, that is not protection. That is a trap. And even in this model, the broker still has responsibility. If you misrepresent, if you overpromise, if you bypass disclosures, you can still be questioned. So, what should a professional broker do? Sell only where you are RERA compliant, or Follow a clean referral model with a locally registered broker and learn to say no when required. Strong brokers are not those who sell everything, they are those who know what not to sell. Broking is not about hustle, it is about compliance, clarity, and credibility. Short term commission from illegal selling creates long term damage. Choose career over commission. Thanks for listening.